One strategy many designers use to make a greater impression is by enhancing the appearance of avatars. And today's video focuses on the use of Daz Avatars for this purpose. So for this one, I'm gonna take two sort of Daz Avatars, Genesis 8 and Genesis 9, take it to Clo, give it pose and animation and see if it is possible to do so or not. This is just experiment. And for the first thing, I'm gonna start with Genesis 8 and add it to the scene. For Genesis 8, I chose E8 Joel Genesis 8 female. You need to purchase this, but also it has a free version of Genesis 8. It doesn't, only the face is different. Now let's go to the file and export it. These are the things you want to take to Clo3D. The Genesis 8 itself and the eyelashes, there are two different avatar, but I guess if we only take it without eyelashes, much wiser. So except I take the select only and only the Genesis 8 accepted. Now let's jump into the Clo3D and file, import FBX. Let's find a file and hit open. The unit should set to Daz Studio and turn on the align button to ground. Okay. Yes, we want to proceed because YouTube doesn't like us to show everything here. I turn this to monochrome, but I promise it has completely textured with it. Now let's select this, go to the avatar and auto convert to avatar, proceed, and here's the file. Let's choose the file here. Gender is female, it does it automatically. We only want to break it and convert. It takes time to do so and you need to be patient. Let's see how it turns out. I'm actually really excited to see if it's possible or not. The nice thing about Daz Avatars when they convert it in Clo3D is that you can bring the hair and the shoes as an extra thing and give them different sort of hair and shoes, as the shoes and hairs in Clo3D are not fit with the Daz Avatars. So let's go to the avatar as soon and hit new project, and as soon as you jump into the avatar section, you can see there's a folder that's 3D, and this is our avatar. Let's go to the avatar and female and give it a pose. Let's do this pose and see. The fingers quite right. We don't have any issue in the fingers and the toes. How about this one? Yes, still we don't have any problem. Let's get back to the A pose and go to the animation. Find a motion for it, but if I give it this one, the walk in place, it's okay. Oh my goodness, look at this. I cannot believe this. It has absolutely difficulty to walk. Let's give it another one. This one. Okay. This one's a little bit better, but not so much. Wow. It's paralyzed. Absolutely disappointment for Genesis 8 in animation pod, but let's make another project. And now head back to the Daz Studio. Let's delete this and apply Genesis 9. Let's select it, file, export, and Genesis 9 to Clo. Let's take this off and accept. Jump into the Clo3D, head to the import file, import FBX, Genesis 9 to Clo, open. The unit should set to centimeters, align button, okay. Yes. I set this to chrome material, the monochrome surface, and it comes with the textures and it is super realistic. So let's try the thing we did before, try it with this one as well. Head to the avatar, auto convert to avatar, proceed, and let's select the file, Genesis 9, okay. We only want rigging and convert. Okay, converted avatars have been saved. Cancel, new project. And now in avatar section, that's 3D. Let's search for Genesis 9. Let's give it a pose. So the fingers are not missing. And the toes are nice. Let's try another one, this one. Yes, everything's in place. And now let's try for animation, and finger cross that it works perfectly. Again, go to avatar, dash 3D. Oh, go to avatar, female, and motion. Work in place. Let's see. Yes. Oh my goodness, this one's working. This one's working perfectly. Like Genesis 9 it is. So the fingers are nice. The toes are nice. Look at this. And it doesn't go through the body. That's fantastic. And it also has the eyelashes here. So we haven't missed the eyelashes. So Genesis 9 worked perfectly in Clo3D. You can convert it to avatar, give it a pose, give it an animation. And now, how about if we give it a pose again? I want to try something else. I'm pretty sure that it doesn't work, but I want to try. So in avatar, if you go and give it a shoes, probably yes, no matching avatars. So, but and also the files are completely different. Let's go and try the hair. Yes, not this one, not this one. Okay, how about if I do something? Get back to the Daz, bring it in other way. How about while this one has the hair, let's go and export it as Genesis 9 with hair, and then take this off so it can bring everything, accept it to Clo3D. Let's take this is off. Import as NFBX. Now this one is Genesis 9 with hair, and I'm gonna bring it here. Go to Avatar 2. Avatar, that's 3D Genesis 9. We have this one with the hair. Let's see how it reacts. Oh, the hair is also added. So we have the hair. The lid accessory, yes, it's amazing. So overall, you can take your Genesis 9 from Daz Studio to Clo3D with hair and eyelashes and everything, and then you have the hair right here. You can give it pose, you can give it motion. It's absolutely fantastic. But one very important tip is that if your hair is lying like this, it might stuck into the garments and doesn't act properly. So use this one with a backless garment to not have the collision, because we don't want that. That was a great experiment for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this experiment, and don't forget to write down what should I make video on. Thank you and see you in the next one.